Hair cannot lose its color in an instant, but scientists have proven that stress can, over time, speed up the graying process. A stem cell biologist from Harvard University found that stress causes nerves involved in the fight or flight response to release a hormone which wipes out the stem cells used to make hair pigments. Since stress can be considered a form of accelerated aging, the discovery raises hopes for treatments that can slow down or even halt normal age-related graying. More importantly, it could shed light on how aging depletes stem cells throughout the body, and perhaps point the way to targeted anti-aging therapies. The findings have a profound implication on how scientists think about stem cell biology, stress biology, and the aging process. Like any good research, it opens up at least as many questions as it answers, but it may represent an important stepping stone toward developing a cell-based fountain of youth. The team made their discovery through a series of experiments that measured the effect of stress on the hair color. The animal subjects were stressed over several days by being restrained for 4 hours a day, Monday to Friday, or through combinations of damp bedding, rapid changes to lighting, and having their cages tilted. At first, the scientists thought the stress triggered an immune attack on hair pigment-making cells, but ruled that out when they found that mice without immune cells still turned gray after episodes of stress. Next, they considered cortisol, a hormone that rises in response to stress. This turned out to be another dead end, as animals with no cortisol still developed gray hair. The researchers eventually found the culprit in a set of nerves that make up the sympathetic nervous system. The nerves, which prepare the body for action as part of the fight or flight response, reach into hair follicles in the skin, and it is here that they do their damage. Hair follicles contain a bulge that is home to a pool of stem cells. When a new hair is made, some of these stem cells turn into pigment-making ones called melanocyte. A person's hair's color depends on the mix of light-absorbing melanin compounds that the melanocyte produce. Stress caused the sympathetic nervous system to pump a hormone called noradrenaline, or norepinephrine, into the hair follicle bulge. The sudden increase of noradrenaline has an extraordinary effect and caused the hormone to convert huge numbers of stem cells into melanocyte. The next time the follicle tries to make a hair, there are few or no stem cells left to generate fresh pigment-producing cells. Researchers suspect that a similar mechanism is responsible for age-related graying. Despite the findings, it could take years to develop a safe and effective treatment to stop graying hair. The work also paves the way for understanding how the loss of stem cells throughout the body contribute to aging. There has already been evidence that stress and the fight or flight response can reduce stem cells that are important for immunity. This may be a reason we often get sick after prolonged periods of stress. While we can't avoid all stress, we can counteract its negative effects by learning how to counter it with a calm, relaxing response.